This happened when I was younger, long before things felt stable, long before money felt calm. Back then, I wasn't trying to get rich. I just wanted to stop feeling stressed every time I looked at my bank statement. So I made a 6-month plan to fix my money. 6 steps, 6 months. Didn't happen. It took closer to a year, and that's exactly why my stress finally went away. I'll explain. Step 1. I stopped avoiding my numbers. I sat down with my bank statements and actually looked. Food delivery I forgot about, subscriptions I didn't use, small daily spending that added up fast. It was uncomfortable for a few minutes. Then the fear dropped. Because it stopped being a vague problem, it became clear. Clear problems feel smaller. Step 2. I built breathing room. Before this, every surprise became stress. Car repair, panic. Doctor visit, panic. Unexpected expense, credit card. So I focused on one goal. A small cash cushion. Cooked more, cut extras, paused eating out, planned 1 month, took 3. But the first time something went wrong and I didn't go into debt, that constant tension in my chest eased up. Quick pause. Money stress isn't about numbers. It's about feeling like one problem could knock you over. I was trying to grow while still unstable. Wrong order. Step 3, I removed the pressure points. I had credit card debt with high interest. Every month it sat there, it added pressure in the background. So I focused on that first. Extra money went there. Any windfall went there. The day it hit 0 felt like a weight lifted, because now money wasn't quietly working against me. Step 4, I started small investing, not to get rich, to stop my future from depending only on my next paycheck. Small, automatic, consistent. At first it felt like nothing was happening. Then months passed, and I realized progress was happening without daily effort. That changed how safe I felt about the future. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan that survives imperfect months. Step 5, I worked on income slowly. There's only so much you can cut before life feels tight. So I improved skills, looked for better opportunities. When income increased, I didn't upgrade lifestyle. I strengthened the system instead. That built security, not just comfort. Step 6, I automated everything, because stress comes from constant decisions. Did I move money? Can I afford this? Did I forget a bill? So I removed the decisions. Bills paid automatically. Savings moved automatically. Investments continued automatically. Money went where it should before I could second guess it. That's when the mental noise dropped the most. Here's the honest part. My 6-month stress-free plan took a year. And that extra time mattered, because this stopped being something I was trying to do, and became how my life just runs now. That's why the stress didn't come back. And here's the part I think about often. The version of me today, calmer, more stable, further ahead, is grateful that younger me didn't quit when the timeline slipped. Even though life has changed a lot since then, that year built the foundation everything else stands on. I wasn't building wealth back then. I was building stability. And once stability is there, everything else becomes easier, and that anyone can start.